Hi pros, it's Patrick the Pro and welcome to my next video. Well, it turns out that someone has sent me a package today. Well, not really today because it's been like few days. I got this package a few days ago and I've been saving this video for another day. So yeah, now let's have a look at this package. So, pros, Logitech has sent me a steering wheel. They want me to test it out. Yeah, as you can see, they're not very good with packing things, as you can see here, but that's okay. For now, they have sent me Driving Force GT. This is how it looks like. If my camera wasn't so blurry. Yeah, that's how it looks like. What does it say here? Feel the road, bumps, walls and crashes with incredible detail. Blah blah blah, we get it. We also have those in other languages, but they're not really important right now. So yeah. Okay. Now, what can I show you really? I don't know what I can show you. It has force feedback, 900-degree steering, works with PlayStation 2 and PlayStation 3. I'm actually surprised that it says it works with PlayStation 2. I don't have PS2 because, like, come on, we're in 2019 still. Feel the game. Immersion. Okay, sure. Whatever. This is the steering wheel. I hope you can see. Actually, no, I can show you. Here it looks better. If I could move the camera up a bit. Sorry about the mess on the left. So that's how it looks like. And now we're going to unbox it. Because I have nothing else to do today. Or should I say tonight, because it's 8 PM. Well, looks like it's going to be fun. Just a second, mate. Alright, pros, I've got this steering wheel right here. Let me show you the different sides. Here you can see more things. I'm too lazy to show them to you. This is basically... oh, here I can show you better, even though it's not lit up. You can see it works with PS3. The button display. Yeah, we get it. And the one other side. The front of the box. For PlayStation 3. Yeah, sure. I'll have to check that one day if it really works with PS3. Right now, let's open this bad boy. If I can do it with one hand, if I actually could, that would be really great. Let's open this like this, okay. Here we go. Actually, I'm doing pretty nicely, except those go back and forth. So let's take them at once. And the box is moving now, great. But here's our steering wheel, so that's something. Maybe I can still... oops, I broke the box a bit. No, did I? My shirt. No. Wait, I broke the box a bit, and now... what's wrong with this box? I'm not sure if I can do it with one hand. I might need help. This is the problem. I don't have a tripod, so that way I actually cannot take those off. But I'm doing it so far. Okay, one part is here. Okay, good, cool. There's one more part. If only that would be so easy. Okay, we did it. We got both parts. Now let's see what else is in there. What do you think about this? Stay there. we have this cart. Hang on. What do you think? Sure, in other languages, sure. I don't care about that right now. Here's the installation. Quick start guide. I'll be using that. And one other whatever this is. And the box is empty except for this. Oh, I don't know if I can show you this actually. Stay there. That was too hard. Okay, so here we have my steering wheel. I'll have to pack this as well. Okay, let's see. Let's start with this one. I think it shouldn't be that hard. However, I'm not sure myself. Oh, I've got this. Whatever that thing is. What is this actually? What is that? Doesn't say. Logitech AC adapter. Okay, so it's an adapter. Now I guess we can get the whole this. Can we? I mean, it wouldn't be that difficult if I could use both hands. So I have to use my environment to do things. Come on, it's not that difficult. There we go, bros, there we go. Oh, there we go, one part is done. Just the cable. It's just the cable, okay. Move out of the way, let me show you this. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. This looks actually really good. I like how the light shines on it. The pedals. Yeah, looks good. Looks in good condition. Good job, Logitech. Okay, and yeah. Now here comes the hard part. The steering wheel itself. I know you can see that I'm actually trying, but wait, I'm doing it. Only pros can do it. Except my hand hurts. Come on, I can do it. I know I can. I can do it. So close. Okay, we did it. It's just a cable now. Move out of the way, please. And there we go. We have the steering wheel as well. Oh, you can see my reflection in this. That's not good. I look horrible right now. But either way, this is how it looks like. Yeah, you can see me. Shh. Didn't know that. Well, anyways, yeah, it turns out it is compatible with PS3 because it has L3, R3 buttons right here. We have the X, square, circle and triangle buttons. We have those plus and minus, but I don't think those buttons actually exist on the real PS3 controller. Not sure about PS4 one. We have select and start just like in PS3. We have enter, even though there's no enter in PS3 controller. What is that? And I don't know what that is, but you can turn it. Looks cool though. PS button. It sure will be useful. I don't forgot the name of this one, but it works. It seems to work just fine. Every button seems to work fine. The steering wheel itself. Seems to be looking okay. Okay, actually it looks okay, except there is a little scratch over there. You can't see it because the lighting is bad, but there is a scratch there, so that's a big minus. It also says driving force right there, so I guess that's cool. Let's see the back of it. Here we have this. I guess that's a gear changer. Then we have this so we can mount it onto our desks. The same with here. Let's see how the front looks like. I like it. I like it actually. And here we also have this. Yeah, so we can connect this here, right? Yeah, I'm right. I'm smart. I'm a smart guy. And one more outlet. I don't know where it is, but I must say, when I first got this package, I expected it to be worse, but actually it looks pretty good. Oh yeah, there are more buttons right here. This one and one over here. Okay, cool. I see it looks cool. It looks fine. It looks good enough. Good enough for me. Okay, so now I need to mount it to my desk. You know what? I'll be back when I actually set this up, okay? Just a second, mate. Alright, pros. It took me a while. I set it up now. Yeah, there's this cable all over the place. I have to fix it actually. Let me fix it like this actually. Oh, that's the perfect spot. See the cable, my stuff, my PC, whatever. Yeah, there are the pedals. And now my setup looks a little bit like this. Not too bad if I say so myself. Well, pros, let's turn it on. Hopefully that will work. Oh no, I have to do this one as well. Will that work? It will. It will. It's set now. It's on now. It automatically goes back. Alright. I see if I turn like this. Oh, I turned it off. Oh yeah, I forgot that that's my PC's fault. Sorry. It has that GT symbol for Gran Turismo, you know that famous game. Yeah, it automatically goes back. The buttons are working quite nicely. Yeah, okay, it's working fine now. It's working fine. Now I'm turning my PC on. Let me get that one more button up there. Okay, there we go. Now I need to test it on something, and luckily I know what to test it on, so you know. I'm going to play some racing games now, and I'll tell you my verdict after I play them. I would record this, but no, that would be too much for me. Okay, just a second, mate. Alright, I've been testing this steering wheel for about an hour now, and I must say I'm impressed. I actually like this. This will be very useful for my thing that I'm learning for. More specifically, road code. Yeah. Having a steering wheel like this will be useful because I want to be able to drive. And this will be useful. This will help me learn faster, definitely. So yeah. And also I actually need to learn road code. But you know what? I also have a funny story when it comes to steering wheels. If you want me to make a video on this, then tell me in the comments down below, and maybe I will make a video on it. Well, this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. There's nothing else to say really. Thank you so much for watching, and well, I'll see you next time, pros. Goodbye.
Just me.